If you enjoyed my strawberry syrup recipe, then you will certainly love this one too. Wild berry syrup is one of my favorites. It's absolutely irresistible when drizzled over cheesecake, pancakes, or just about any baked or fried dessert. You can even use it as an iced tea flavoring or ice cream topping. The possibilities are endless. All you need is 1 cup of sugar or ½ cup of honey, 1 cup of water, ½ cup each of fresh strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Pour the water, sugar, and berries into a pot and bring to a low boil. Remember to prevent foaming by stirring often and making sure it doesn't boil too hot. When all of the berries begin to fade in color, dip them out and strain excess syrup back into the pot. Continue boiling until the syrup reduces to a little less than half of its original volume. It's perfectly normal to get a little foam buildup. Just skim it away and continue stirring. After you finish reducing the syrup, pour into a mason jar, cover, and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours. And that's it. Enjoy.